You have glass. Yes. Oh, did you buy it with a contract carrier or with a outright我还喜欢点，我也喜欢点，点上去了。Which one are you looking for? Also, those are all the sevens. All the sevens, yeah. Whole table's all the sevens.
Tiene lo del 7 detrás.
Okay. Yeah, the iPhone 7 starts at $899. Less with contract with carriers.
One thing that if more impression because it doesn't have
Oh, it does. It has the lightning cable, has an adapter inside it. It's about that big. It comes together into a headphone. So if you have headphones already, everything you need in the box to connect to the headphones is already.
And do you know what
Oh yeah, like this guy here, the biggest ones is water resistant, dust resistant, sand resistant. But on top of that, stereo speaker is considerably louder. The new camera is a dual lens camera. Takes a much better picture. Also, has a top setting mode that the other ones does not have. What else? The screen is considerably brighter.
是那个防水都一样，防水，但是它这个了解，它这个比这两不一样。
Anywhere up to 2 times the one lens than the other.
这个外面应该是后面也可以照的镜子。
And you use it at the same time.
我跟我妈说的。
Also, the processor has multiple processors. It has a low energy processor.
256才1300。
And then when it needs to, it
我
has
这属于128G 的1300。
It's actually more powerful than even our MacBook Pro from 2014.
1300，那我跟我妈说了。
but the quality of pictures 7 Plus are
Oh, for video to shoot 4K.
yeah, but
这个东西吧，我
It's 12 megapixels.
Probably wait until like sunrise or makes it over there.
Que es más dinero.
It's a $9 connector. Guarantee you that. It's like this small. I bought my phone because she was selling it and bought this one, and then there was no headphone jack. You know how cheese that was? Selling is the camera. That's my selling point. I want to buy this one.
got one for my own display. No, es que una diferencia con el